Okay guys, I prepared this hooks and sinker for demonstration so that other people will know on how to tie the drop shot rig. So, but before we start, I would like to tell you that you can use at least maximum of 4 hooks if you are doing shore fishing. Okay, so let's start. Usually, depending on the water depth, I used to have a gap of around 10 inches. But if it's deeper water, you could put around 12 inches far away from each other. Same thing with the sinker. Okay? So, I only use 2 types of rig in doing this drop shot, tying my drop shot. First, so as I was saying, there should be around 10 inches apart if it's not so deep, but if the water is deep, it's around 12 inches away. Okay, so usually I start with the first hook from here, but you can also start from the sinker. It depends on your preference, but for me, I could start from here. Okay, so you can do either Palomar knot or uni knot. Okay, let's start with the Palomar knot. Palomar knot. Okay, to do the Palomar knot, guys, you just have to fold the line like this. Fold the line, and then enter the folded line into the eye of the hook, and then enter it like that, and then wrap once, tighten a little bit like that, and then after tying, make sure open this end of the line, open because it was just folded, right? Open and insert the hook. After inserting the hook, then you could pull on any of the line to snag the hook like this. You can pull to snag the line, and make sure the hook is facing upward. So that's Palomar knot. That's Palomar knot. So for the uni knot, guys, it's more easy. So you just have to insert the line into the eye of the hook, and then hold the hook like this, and then make like a number 6 while holding the hook. Make like a number 6 like that. Okay, let's do it again. Make like a number 6 while holding the hook. Make a number 6 while holding the hook, and wrap around maybe once or 2 times like that, and then you just have to pull again any of the line to snag again the hook. So that's how easy it is to be done. See, also that is facing upward, so that's 1, this is 2, it's around 1 foot away. It depends on the depth of the water. Plus at the end you have to put the sinker. For the sinker, it's up to you if you want uni knot or Palomar knot. So same thing, it's like a number 6 like this. You just have to insert from the hole, and then hold it like this. Hold the line together, and then tie it like this, like a number 6. And this is called uni knot. You can also do Palomar knot for the sinker. So that's it, guys. That's how easy to do the drop shot. So you can adjust the length. This one is around 10 inches, so this one is around 12 inches, but it's up to you on how as I was saying, how deep is the water is. So that's it, guys. That's how easy it is. It's around 2 minutes maybe. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you. I hope you learned something. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. when we're back here in Harwood. Hopefully we will catch something here. Okay, let's start fishing. First cast. Ah,
Kadang-dang oh.
fish guys. Nagsat. 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 Wait. Nakahuli si brother. Wala yung mga perch. Ayan. Tatay ko may lahat ng tiltiluan. No? Kinanatay lagtaw. Madikit nga mapuno ati bulsa kaon. Ayan. Ayan. Set. Maliit na walleye. First bite natin, isang maliit na walleye. Pakakawalan natin dito. Tra-drop natin dito.